A little boat right there. I don't know if y'all can see it on the GoPro view. This is gonna be wild just to even get to a freaking boat. Everything's overgrown. Down here, we got a freaking boat. I guess submerged or like maybe just stuck on the side of the river over here. There's that bridge we just came off of a minute ago.
Make sure nobody's there.
Oh wow. Jeez, that thing is a freaking wreck in there. Nope, they took the engine off.
Man, somebody ditched this. Ain't that much water in there. I bet you the sides somewhere. It's gotta be. If not,
Yeah,
then
it's
that's
gotta
just
be
rainwater.
though. I mean, shit's fucked. It's not bad in there. I'd go. I just I have my backpack. Looks pretty good.
What? Yeah, see? Where they sleep right there? Oh yeah, we pulling ready.
I think that right there got a little meter.
Y'all were recording me the whole time? Hey, I was just kidding, man. I'm sorry.
That's alright. Can't be loud though when you're doing the outro. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all later. Have a good day. Peace. Just want to show you guys a boat. Maybe. I wonder what it's all been back here. Interesting.
I think it's the elevator. Let's watch the elevator first.